When you look at IDEX and the size of them, and you look at the size of us, we always thought we were big. We're a good size, but no, I would say we're still quite small. But from where I first started, we're nearly 3 times bigger. We're so diverse from food, chemical, pharmaceuticals. We've done things from rocket fuel, brake pads. You wouldn't even think we'd touch that, but we do the powders for your brake pads. It's very easy to overlook this as well. Some people just do take these things for granted. Started in the factory and loved it. One of the things when I took this position on was I was told to sit next to them and just keep my ears open. If I hear conversations going on, I'm not sure what it is they're talking about, just go and stand on them, tap on the shoulder and say, what are you talking about? Even if they're on the phone. So having IDEX behind us now actually helps us go for the bigger game. From where I sit, I'm looking at the bigger game. Big formulation systems, so you're looking at millions of pounds worth of equipment for one order. So I was always making sure that the work would get done. So I think there's a trust that gets built up from that. I had a lot of opportunities, I would say, to get outside your comfort zone, see what's new, stretch yourself, soak it in, swallow it all up, and just sort of thrived on it. So yeah, I was able to build on that and to see that everything come to fruition. So it's not just seeing it in the factory over here when it's being built, it's when it's on site as well. So when you get to hear the feedback that comes in, it's just like, yeah, it puts a smile on your face thinking, yeah, it did work. I'm Steve Matthews, System Support Engineer, Matcon.